Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant, and you are watching my official YouTube channel, and we are learning about Adobe Photoshop. And till now, we have covered most of our Adobe Photoshop tutorials. We are left with a few topics about Adobe Photoshops. So, in this video, I am going to tell you a very important thing which we can do in Adobe Photoshop, which is called the clipping mask. So what the clipping mask is and how and why we use the clipping mask will be discussed in this video. So basically the clipping mask is used to make a visual very appealing and to make our designs very beautiful. So how we can use a clipping mask, we can just in this video I am going to tell you. Like if I this is a picture and I want to do a clipping mask, I need a shape for that. So what I will do, I will draw a shape. Either we can draw it with the shape tool or we can draw it with pen tool. So right now I will draw a shape with the pen tool. So how I will do, I will add a layer. I will add a layer here, and then I will go to the pen tool and I will select the shape. So what I will do, I will click here and then I will click here, and I will make a shape like this. So I am making a random shape basically. So this shape is complete. So what I will do, I will move this layer behind this layer, so the picture is hidden inside this. So what I am going to do, I will press on Alt and I will keep pressing it. Then I will go to the place between these two layers and I will click here. So you can see this picture has been clipped over the image which I have drawn in this picture. So we can use this to make the brochures. We can move the picture upward, downward. We can just move this shape upward, downward. We can just move. We can click on the shape and we can move the shape upward. We can do anything with this. So for example, if this is shape, and I can move this shape upward and I can just turn it on. So you can see I have made a foundation for our design. So we can write anything we wish. We can just move it anywhere where we want to adjust this picture, and we can write anything on here and we can convert it into a very beautiful brochure. So this was the clipping tool. So another function of clipping tool is clipping it with some text. So what it means, I will tell you. For that I will add for example, I will add a new let's take this image. So I will add another layer here, and I can I can type anything on this layer. For example, I will type anything. I will type love, LOVE. Love. It cannot be visualized, but let me and let me make it enlarge. So let me delete extra things. So we will make this word as big as we can. And as big as we wish. So we will select some fonts that would be a little bit thicker. For that we can select impact, which is very bold. So our next step is to rasterize this layer. For that we can just use rasterize type, and you can see this love has been rasterized. So what we next will do, we will click on Alt and we will press at the place between these two layers. So you can see here is a problem. We have to move this layer downward. So then what we will do, we will click here and press here, and you can see this has been selected. So we can move the picture behind that one, or we can move this love thing. So we can add another layer here in the background, and that could be given any color. For example, if we give any color we can give. If it is white, that's all right. Okay, so you can see we have clipped our image behind this word. So we can use clipping mask in various ways to make our design more beautiful. So we can move even this to here to make it look more beautiful. So you will work on it, you will practice these techniques. This was called the clipping mask, because we are clipping a image on certain shape. So this was today's lecture. Try to practice it as more as you can, and you will become expert in Adobe Photoshop.